Hey guys, this is my bike check for my bike. It's completely custom. No part on it is stock. I'm just gonna start off with the frame. The frame is a Hyper. Yeah, it's a Sucky frame, but well, that's all I have. I'm not sure what back rim it is. It says Weinman on it, but I don't know. The tire is a Stollen. My cranks are stock Verde. My pedals are Animal Hamilton in trans purple. My seat is stock Verde with a purple pivotal seat post. My stem is a Mission, and I have the Shadow Conspiracy stem bolts. I have ODI super soft grips and ODI bar ends. On the front, I have a Cinema 777 front rim, and I'm not sure what tire it is. The hubs are both stock Verde, and I'm not sure what these forks are, but I found them, so I put them on. I actually do have a matching rim for my back one, but the thing is my fork tube is too small for my frame, so it only has about this much space, so I can't put that on. And that pretty much goes for my bike check. My hub is pretty much absolutely silent, so there's no point in making it, I don't know. But my chain is a KMC, and I'm not sure what sprocket I have, but all I know is it's blue, and I can't find it on Dance Comp, so I don't know where you can buy it. So yeah, that pretty much sums up my bike.